What's up, it's Haruta today, the video AI Gemini Omni Flash. Let me walk you through it. What makes this tool amazing? It's just fast. The generation speed prompts to change your video work in plain spoken words. Natural language just works now. Even rough prompts come out crazy accurate. It's seriously impressive. If you want to get into AI video, this one's a fun pick to start with, so stick around till the end. On this channel, I cover video AI, image AI, how-tos, and hands-on tests of Gen AI posting regularly. If that sounds interesting, please subscribe. Alright, enjoy the video. Let's get started. So, Gemini Omni Flash just got released. So let's see what the quality looks like. First up, so Gemini Omni Flash. I asked what it can actually do. Fix it while you chat. Multi-turn editing is the big feature. So once you've made a video, you can tweak it with simple chat instructions. That's the idea. Where can you use it? Gemini's paid plans, plus, YouTube too. YouTube Shorts and the YouTube Create app as a video making assist feature rolled out for free, apparently. Huh, really? It's free? Seriously? Also Google AI Plus and the like. Paid subscribers get access, that's the deal I see. It looks like it can extend videos too. To be fair, other AI tools have claimed this before, but the quality wasn't great. So let's put this one through its paces. Let's try one right away. For video, click this video icon on the left, then it takes you to the generation page. Let's make it here. Realistic footage, a college kid walking through a takoyaki themed town, looking amazed at the sights. Make me that video. If natural language really works, this should do it. Pick the aspect ratio here, landscape or portrait, then off we go. And it's done. That was fast, under a minute. Let's take a look.
嘘だろこれ全部たこ焼き
Okay, the train is totally floating, but the text barely breaks. Impressive. It really feels like Nano Banana turned into video. This part's a bit off though. Like, where is that train going? So close. This part screams AI, but without it, you'd never tell. Now let's try editing this exact video. Here we go. Change the setting to a European town and the outfits to ancient European clothes. Might be tough. Starting from this footage. Oh, it's done. This is hilarious. It looks amazing. Let's check it out.
嘘だろこれ全部たこ焼き
Okay, this is funny. That's not takoyaki though. Right, the dialogue doesn't change. Of course it doesn't. This cracks me up. He looks at the town and then keeps calling everything takoyaki. Still, this is great. One casual line and you get quality. This good. Wonderful. Well, how many videos can you make? I'm on the plus plan making these. And the watermark doesn't go away, half figures. So I asked how many you get on plus. And here's the answer. Roughly 3 to 5 videos a day at 10 seconds each, which apparently... Oh, and it refreshes every 5 hours. That's actually a lot. If you get 5 per cycle, that's like 20 a day. Not bad at all. But failed generations can still count. That part, I'd rather they didn't count those. So I pay 3,000 yen a month at 20 a day. That's 500 to 600 videos. Pretty good deal, right? 500 videos for 3,000 yen. Can I remove the watermark? I asked. Yeah, not on the Plus plan. Right now, Plus's standard features can't remove the watermark. The higher tier, the Ultra plan, can do it. But Ultra is stupid expensive, like tens of thousands of yen a month. So instead, let's try Higgsfield. Good old Higgsfield. My favorite all-in-one AI tool. Image gen, video gen, all kinds of AI models in one place. Oh, there it is. Gemini Omni Flash. Let's click it. Yep, Higgsfield runs Gemini Omni Flash too. As for clip durations, same as the original, 10 seconds max out. Aspect ratios match too, 16:9 and 9:16, just portrait and landscape. Let's generate here too. Here's the prompt. College students chatting over takoyaki on the streets of Osaka. Let's go. Done. Fast again, under a minute. Output is crazy quick.
熱っでもめっちゃうまいわこれこれ
やろう、大阪来てよかったな。
This looks so good. That said, 720p felt a little rough. Yeah, you can tell. Oh, what's this? There's a seed option? How do you even use the seed? No clue. Let's test it later. Next up, take the video we just made. Drag it like this. Drop it here and prompt this. Change his and her outfits into Hunch and Tiger's chilling jerseys. Will a loose prompt like this work? It's not chat based here, so on Higgsfield this might be tricky. Let's find out. Done! And it looks really promising. Let's watch.
熱っでもめっちゃうまいわこれ。これ。
大阪来てよかったな。
Look at this. The quality is insane, right? The Hunch and Tigers jerseys are absolutely spot on. Fun fact about me. I'm going to cheer for the Tigers next week at Goshen Stadium. Totally irrelevant, I know, but seriously, this is exactly what the fans wear, the cheering jerseys and all. It really is Nano Banana as a video. Amazing, and again, generation is super fast. From scratch, it was about a minute. This time, it references the original video, so it took a bit longer, around 2 minutes. Still fast for this quality. So what is a seed value? Let's ask Gemini. In a word, a seed is like the DNA of the generated video. That's too brief. I still don't get it. With images, if you generate a person and reuse that seed, you get someone similar. When changing poses and such, referencing the seed keeps the composition similar and the face similar. Same deal for video. So it is kind of like DNA. What does that mean here? So even without a reference video, the seed alone might work. Let's try it. The one we just generated. Let's use this one seed 447796. Right. Okay, here goes. Using seed 447796 create a different situation. Any situation is fine. Let's run it. Here's what came out. Yep, completely unrelated. So the seed did nothing. How do you use this thing? I genuinely don't know. There's nowhere to input a seed. At least in Gemini's video generation UI and asking, they got me nowhere. What now? Let's ask Claude Code. It's hooked up to Higgsfield via MCP. So through Claude Code, maybe the AI can figure out how Omni Flash seeds work through the MCP connection. Let's ask it. It checked both. Nice work. Usable via MCP. It says, yeah, in the resolutions we saw on Higgsfield, the aspect ratios match too. So Gemini Omni Flash works over MCP too. Good to know. As for the seed, a number chosen randomly at generation seed. Sure, same prompt plus same seed gives you almost the same video, that much I get. But how do you actually use it? Right? It outputs a seed, but for now there's no way to generate from that seed. That's my take. Just to be sure that Osaka Takoyaki college students prompted, let's run it in Gemini. In theory, the same prompt should give pretty much the same video as before. Let's test that. Same prompt, same aspect ratio, same everything, so it should work. Done! Moment of truth.
やっぱ大阪のたこ焼きは最高やな。
ほら。
湯気出てるで。
暑いけどめっちゃ美味しい。
やろう。次はあっちの店も行こうぜ。
おー、食い倒れるぞ。
Nope, totally different. Conclusion, no idea how seeds work. That's the result. If anyone knows, tell me in the comments. It's probably just not rolled out yet. I bet a seed input field will show up here pretty soon. Same for Higgsfield, of course, the seed field is probably coming here. And if seeds end up letting you carry characters over, that would be a killer feature. It'd be incredibly handy. Looking forward to it. Let's wait and see. While we're at it, let's have some fun. Using Claude Code and Gemini Omni Flash. Let's make a 30-second movie trailer style piece. Here's the instruction. Use the Higgsfield MCP connection to generate videos. Make a 30-second video using Gemini Omni Flash as the engine for 8-second clips, 32 seconds total, 8 times 4, that's the structure. Production details, structure and direction. AI writes the overall story in movie trailer style, no background music. Because if each clip gets different music, it cuts off abruptly. So no BGM, just ambient sound please. Next, the request. Make the joins between the 4 clips seamless, not choppy. Specifically, grab the last frame of clip 1, use it as the starting point to generate clip 2. Repeat that process through clip 4. Cuts within a single clip are totally fine. Okay, let's build it. You can do this on web Claude Code too. But I'm using the Claude app with the Higgsfield MCP, and it's done. A spy movie trailer, 32 seconds long. It stitched them together properly, and the credits cost dirt cheap, 96 credits, that's nothing. Let's watch it, here we go. So close. I mean, they are connected, but there's still a hard cut. Shame. So close. Here and here too. Slight audio glitch here. This one's almost there. Thought he was leaving, and he walks back in. So that's how it turns out. Close. But the generation time, seriously fast. The whole thing took maybe under 20 minutes. And that's about it. It looks like it'll keep on evolving. Gemini Omni Flash. Still curious about that seed value though. Go play with it yourselves. That's all for today.
はい、いかがだったでしょうか。というわけで、Gemini Omni Flash。結構使えますよね。ナノバナナを動画にした感じで、かなりクオリティ高く簡単に作れるし、生成速度速いんでストレスフリーなんですよね。ということで、気になった方はぜひ使ってみてください。それではまたお会いしましょう。